Hey, what's up guys, Houston here. And if you're a person that's currently driving for Instacart or thinking about picking up work through Instacart because you don't want to drive around passengers doing Uber and Lyft, then definitely you might want to pay attention to this video. Now, the reason I'm calling this make $30,000 in Instacart and pay no taxes. And a lot of people, they may even pass over this, but I tell you, if you comment, like, and share, and pay attention to what I'm saying, I promise you, there's going to be some very good value in it. Now, what happened recently with Instacart, they did the Fast and Flex. So what that means is that people that are shopping and everything online and wanting Instacart to deliver right away and stuff, they introduced a new Fast and Flex program. So that way you can get your groceries between Tuesday and Thursday, right? So that way you can get your grocery store clean. Now, for you as the individual working for Instacart, what that means is that now you have more opportunity to get more deliveries and make more money, which is great. Another one that they introduced was the order ahead. Now with the order ahead on Instacart, what it does, they're able to order up to 2 weeks in advance, right? So now you're saying, well, Houston, how does that have to do with paying no taxes? Well, here's the thing that you need to understand. If you're going to actually be in this gig economy, especially with Instacart, and they're giving out money like crazy, people are actually making up to $200 a day with Instacart right now. Now, here's what you need to do. You need to set up the corp, okay? So that way, that Instacart, instead of paying you as the employee, because if they pay you as the employee, they're going to take taxes out. But if they pay it to your corporation, you manage your own taxes, so you're keeping more money in your pocket. By setting up the corporation, what you're doing, and open up your business bank account, what you're doing, you're going to be able to build your business credit and your financial statements. And so what that's going to do, that's going to allow you to start being able to get more funding if you need to get a new car or you want to add another car to your situation or your business. You'll be able to do that because you'll have the income showing that the business is generating. Now, again, let's look at a person that's making $30,000 with Instacart. So you're making $30,000, okay? What can you do? Paying it to the corporation, you can take out, say that you decide, well, I'm going to pay myself an $18,000 salary, right? So if you're a parent and you have a kid, taking out that $18,000, you know that you're still going to be able to get a tax refund. And usually average tax refund will go anywhere from $5,000 to $7,000. So you're going to get money there, but this is on the business side. So that leaves you with what, $12,000, okay? $12,000 left. So now you decide, hey, since I have a kid and stuff, I can open up a health savings account and have a high deductible so that way you can still have insurance. Okay, so that's up to 70, I think it's like 7,000 or 7,100. So what that leaves you with is 5,000. Okay, so that 7,000 is an HSA. You see what I'm talking about? Now, guess what you can do with this HSA? That $7,000, you can use that $7,000 as a down payment on a real estate investment deal because it's under the HSA, and whatever money is paid back to you, the HSA owns it, and so that money is being paid back to the HSA, which is tax-free money, right? So that's how you leverage your HSA. But like I said, you're making $30,000. You can do it with $50,000 or $100,000. And I'll show you how to do that in other videos. But right now, I just want to prove to you that you actually don't have to pay any taxes. Now, that other $5,000, okay? That other $5,000 is for the expenses of the business. What are your expenses of the business? You got your car insurance, you got your gas, you got your mileage, you got your toll road fees. Plus, you're using your home address. So now your portion of your rent is deductible. You can have your utilities turned on at the home. It's a deductible. So you're not paying any money, any taxes on that $30,000. Okay? And again, if you're getting any value out of this, please subscribe, like, and comment, because I think a lot of people are missing out. This is the reason a lot of people can't get ahead, because they end up, make the money, but they end up paying taxes first. But if you do it this way, then you're able to use that money to pay all your expenses and operate your business, and then whatever's left, you pay Uncle Sam. So that means that's showing you don't have no income left on the business side. So you're not going to pay taxes on it. You're going to file your taxes, but you're not going to pay taxes on it. All right. So then, like I said, you had 18,000. You had 18,000. Now, with your, say you have one kid dependent. All right. Like I said, for most people, $18,000 salary, you got one kid that's a dependent. You still, again, between $5,000 to $7,000 in a tax return. So you're not losing any money. This is the reason that I tell people to invest into the three-way funding program, so you can actually do this, because the average American, about, I would say, 95, they don't even make over $50,000, right? So it's easy. So even if you was making $50,000 with Instacart, DoorDash, Uber, then you still have the opportunity to not pay any taxes using this formula. If you want to learn more about how not to pay taxes legally, as well as being able to keep more money in your pocket, then click the link below, subscribe, and reach out to me so we can work together. So this is Houston with Three-Way Funding. I hope that this helps you and motivates you to understand why you should operate as a business instead of an employee.